a different fucking cake. This is the story of a sheep drove organic chick who thought he was a gangster rapper. His name, MC Chick. Come, join him on his final gig. Guns, chickens, chickens, guns. Guns don't kill people, chickens do. Ask any politician and he'll tell you it's true. Guns don't kill people, chickens do. I saw it on documentary on BBC Two. MC Chick, you'll feel no pain. You can listen to Eminem and go to looking chain as they hang you up, stun your head. A rapper cut your throat, then you're fucking dead. 1 hour 20 through the mad machine. You go in with feathers, but you come out clean. Come on, guns don't kill people, chickens do. Call the KFC, call the KFC. Guns don't kill people, chickens do. Hey, fucking cock-a-doodle-oo. I want to eat you, chick, not get bird flu. Fucking chickens. I fucking hate chicken.